Welcome to DelftStack. Today, I will show you how to fix DNS leaks on Windows 10 and 11. DNS leaks can make your online activity visible even when you use a VPN. The first step is to use a VPN that has built-in leak protection. Not all VPNs prevent DNS leaks by default. Choosing one with this feature ensures that your real DNS requests do not get exposed. Next, you can manually set your DNS to a trusted provider. Open your network settings, find your active connection, right-click on the connection you're using, and click Properties. In the Properties, look for Internet Protocol 4 and go to its properties. Now change the DNS servers. You can use Cloudflare with 1.1.1.1 or Google with 8.8.8.8. This helps make sure your DNS requests go to a safe server. After changing the DNS, it is important to clear your DNS cache. Open Command Prompt with Administrator and type ipconfig flushdns, then press Enter. This removes old DNS entries and makes your system use the new settings immediately. Another important step is to adjust your browser and system settings. Some browsers have a feature called Secure DNS, which can conflict with your VPN. In Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, go to the Privacy or Security section of Settings and turn off the option that says Use Secure DNS if it causes problems. This makes sure your VPN controls all DNS traffic. Following these steps will help prevent DNS leaks and keep your online activity private. Thanks for watching.